This video will be on vector product. Okay, so we will be actually just a quick tidbit video on how to do the vector product, right? And the vector or cross product of two vectors, where A is equals to okay, let's just write it A1, A2, and A3, and B is equals to B1, B2, and B3, right? Denoted by A times B, or vector product or cross product of A and B. Okay, we will actually write it in this way. It gives us a vector. Alright, the vector product of A1, A2, A3, and B1, B2, B3 gives us the following definition. There's A2, B3 minus A3, B2, A3, B1 minus A1, B3, A1, B2 minus A2, B1. Alright, so this is also a vector. Unlike the scalar product, which gives us a scalar, this gives us a vector product. Scalar product gives you a scalar, vector product gives you a vector. Alright, so how do we remember this? Okay, so one very easy way to remember this. Let me just write it in the next step. Alright, so if we have just rewrite, if we have A1, alright, okay, A1, A2, and A3, okay, vector product with B1, B2, and B3. Okay, one way to remember this, like we have a vector, there are three entries, right? One quick way to see is, let's say you want to put in the first entry here. Alright, what we do is we look at the next two rows. Alright, we need to look at the next two rows. Alright, we take A2, B3, subtract A3, B2. Alright, so it's always from top left to bottom right, bottom left to top right. Okay, so this will just be equals to A2, B3 minus A3, B2. Alright, what about the second entry? So very quickly, let me rewrite again. A2, A3. Alright, vector product and B1, B2, B3. Suppose you want to now find the second entry. How do we find the second entry? Okay, again, what we can do is we just take the next two rows after the second entry. So we know that this is A2, B2, right? Okay, we take A3, B3. What's the row after that? Let's just rewrite A1, B1 again. Okay, we can rewrite A1, B1 again. And then now we take the cross. We take the cross again. Okay, from top left to bottom right, bottom left to top right. We can have A3, B1 minus A1, B3. Alright, so it will be very easy. Okay, and how about the third entry? The third entry, let me rewrite again. Alright, A1, let me, okay, the third entry, A1, A2, A3 times B1, B2, B3. Okay, now we are finding the third entry, the bottom entry. What is this? Again, what you can do is now, again, we cancel this one. We take two rows below. Two rows below, we can just rewrite. Below A3, B3, we write A1, A1, A2, B1, B2. We write two more rows underneath, right? Just repeat, like repeating like DNA line. Okay, so A1, B2 minus A2, B1. So this is just A1, B2 minus A2, B1. So one very quick, easy way to do is just remember, you write two rows underneath, crisscross the two rows. Want to write find the first entry, right? Cross out the first row, write two rows underneath, crisscross. Second entry, cancel the second row, two rows underneath, crisscross. Third entry, cross out the third row, crisscross the two rows underneath. Okay, and that will give you your answer quickly. Alright, so the result will follow that if you have A1, A2, A3 vector product with B1, B2, B3, this will just give you A2, B3 minus A3, B2, A3, B1 minus A1, B3. Remember, cross out the second row, write down, crisscross the two rows underneath. Alright, A1, B2 minus A2, B1. Alright, can so remember, finding the second row, cross out finding the second entry, cross out the second row, crisscross the rows underneath. Okay, so just remember keyword now. Okay, crisscross the two rows underneath.